Hello and welcome to your 73rd SQL Server tutorial. My name is Johnny DeLuca and today I'm going to show you how to configure a transactional subscriber. So to begin, connect to an instance of SQL Server, and then to start off, open a new query window and enter the following T-SQL code, not this bit here. I'll copy this and get rid of this. We'll be using that later. But this little two-liner of code right here, go ahead and execute that query. Commands completed successfully. All good. Now let's go over here to our replication folder. We're going to expand this guy. Okay, now we're going to right-click local subscriptions, and then we are going to new subscription. Okay, apparently that was just some sort of network hiccup. So we're going back to here, new subscriptions, and that's what I wanted to see. Sometimes SQL Server has network hiccups, so any relational database management system will have occasional network hiccups. Anyways, onwards and upwards, we click next here. Now on the publications page, we are going to make sure that business entity is selected, which it is. We're going to click next. So now we're presented with the choice of running the distribution agent on the distributor for push replication or the subscriber for pull replication. While running the distribution agent on the subscriber does offload some of the work from the publisher, if it is on the subscriber will bear the load. When making this choice, we want to consider how each will be affected and ensure that the selected choice has sufficient resources to support our decision. In general, place the distributor on a more powerful machine or the machine with lowest network latency. For now, we're going to accept the defaults and click next. Okay, now we're on the subscribers page. We're going to select the box to the available choice, which will be the local machine, and select AD REPL for replication from the subscription database column. You can optionally add a new subscriber by clicking the Add Subscription button. So there we go. And then we want AD REPL. Very cool. We click Next. Okay, now in the distribution agent security dialog box, we're going to click the ellipsis button here, and then similar to snapshot agent and log reader agent, we're going to elect to run the agent under SQL Server Agent Services account and connect to the distributor and subscriber using the process account. Again, as a best practice, you should use a new Active Directory account that has been created specifically for this purpose. So right now we are going to click this guy here and click OK. Alright, now we can click Next. Now on the synchronization schedule, we're going to select the run continuously in the column labeled agent schedule. It's already selected. You can also synchronize on demand or defined a schedule. Alright, we'll click next. Now on the initial subscriptions page, we have two choices: initialize immediately or at first synchronization. Accept the defaults and click next. It's immediately. And on our final page, the wizard actions. In addition to configuring distribution, you can generate a script that contains all the steps from the wizard. Just go ahead and click next. And then we have our summary here. We're just going to click finish, and it's going to go through the motions and tell us if we succeeded or not. Okay, we succeeded. So we're going to click close now. Now we're going to go over to the replication folder, and we're going to right click and we're going to refresh. Now we want to expand the local publications folder. Alright, we want to expand this guy right here. Okay, now what we want to do is get rid of this. Actually, I just Did open up a new query. Okay, this is the same error from before. I got disconnected somehow. Don't really know why. Hang on a minute while I reconnect. Pause this. Okay, we just encountered a network hiccup, so I had to totally close out of Management Studio and reboot it back up. So I just paused it to do all that so you didn't have to suffer through it. So now, where were we? Okay, we wanted to open, I just opened a new query window here, and I'm grabbing this little bit of code here. I'm going to go back over. And there we go. We're using the AD replication that we made, selecting all from AdventureWorks 2012.person.business entity. You'll now see the table is created. The data has been copied. Congratulations. You are now becoming an ultimate rock star when it comes to configuring a transactional subscriber. Alright? In my next tutorial, I'm going to be covering monitoring replication, so I'll see you there. Thanks for stopping by.